Salut à tous, welcome back to our bilingual story series. In this video, we will be covering episode 2 and 3. Episode 2, we're diving into a classic French market experience where you'll learn how to ask for prices, interact with vendors, and shop like a local. From fruits to fresh baguettes, we'll guide you through every phrase you need. Et bien sûr, tout sera expliqué en anglais aussi pour que vous puissiez bien suivre. In episode 3, we'll be traveling across France. From asking for directions to ordering meals in a cafe, you'll pick up key phrases that will make your travels a breeze. Whether you're navigating a train station or chatting with locals, these real-world scenarios will help you feel confident in any situation. And remember, to supercharge your language journey, download our free guide, 30 Actionable Ways to Learn Any Language, right in the video description below. Ce guide est rempli d'astuces pratiques pour accélérer votre apprentissage. À très bientôt et bon apprentissage. Bilingual Story. Shopping at a French market. Salut à tous, welcome back. Today, we're taking a trip to a French market. You'll learn how to ask for different items, understand prices, and interact with vendors, all in French. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in English too. Let's dive in. Je vais au marché chaque samedi matin. I go to the market every Saturday morning. Let's repeat that. Je vais means I go. Au marché is to the market, and chaque samedi matin means every Saturday morning. Going to the market is a classic French weekend routine. Quand j'arrive, je dis bonjour au vendeur de fruits. When I arrive, I say hello to the fruit vendor. J'arrive means I arrive. Je dis bonjour means I say hello, and le vendeur de fruits means the fruit vendor. Don't forget to greet the vendor with a friendly bonjour when you arrive. It's an essential part of French culture. Je demande combien coûtent les pommes. I ask how much do the apples cost. Je demande means I ask. Combien coûte means how much do they cost. Les pommes is the apples. When you want to know the price of something, just say combien coûtent and add the name of the item. Le vendeur répond les pommes coûtent 3 € le kilo. The vendor replies, the apples cost 3 € per kilo. Le vendeur répond means the vendor replies. Les pommes coûtent means the apples cost. 3 € le kilo means 3 € per kilogramme. Kilo are often used for measuring food items in French markets, so this is a good phrase to remember. Je dis, d'accord, je vais prendre 1 kilo s'il vous plaît. I say, okay, I'll take 1 kilo please. D'accord means okay. Je vais prendre means I'll take. 1 kilo means 1 kilogramme, and don't forget to end with s'il vous plaît, which means please. Le vendeur me donne les pommes et je paye. The vendor gives me the apples and I pay. Me donne means gives me, and je paye means I pay. Let's repeat that, je paye. It's an important phrase for shopping in any language. Ensuite, je vais au stand de légumes. Next, I go to the vegetable stand. Ensuite means next, je vais means I go, and le stand de légumes means the vegetable stand. At French markets, you'll find a wide variety of fresh vegetables that are perfect for cooking at home. Je demande combien coûtent les tomates. I ask, how much do the tomatoes cost? Once again, combien coûte means how much do they cost? Les tomates is the French word for tomatoes. Le vendeur répond, elles coûtent 2 € le kilo. The vendor replies, they cost 2 € per kilo. Elles coûtent means they cost. In French, you use elles when talking about plural feminine nouns like tomates. 2 € le kilo means 2 € per kilogramme. Je dis, je voudrais un demi-kilo de tomates, s'il vous plaît. I say, I'd like half a kilo of tomatoes, please. Je voudrais means I would like. It's a polite way to ask for something. Un demi-kilo means half a kilo, which is useful when you don't need a full kilogramme. S'il vous plaît adds a polite please at the end. Après ça, je vais au stand de pain pour acheter une baguette. After that, I go to the bread stand to buy a baguette. Après ça means after that. Le stand de pain is the bread stand, and une baguette is the iconic French bread that you'll often see people carrying home from the market. Je dis, bonjour, une baguette s'il vous plaît. I say, hello, one baguette please. This is a simple phrase, but essential when buying bread in France. Just say une baguette s'il vous plaît, and you'll have a fresh baguette in no time. Je paie pour la baguette et je remercie le vendeur. I pay for the baguette and thank the vendor. Je paie means I pay and je remercie means I thank. In France, it's common courtesy to thank the vendeur with a simple merci before leaving. Let's review what we've learned today. We covered how to ask for prices using combien coûtent, and we learned some key phrases for buying items like apples, tomatoes, and a baguette. How would you say, "I'd like a kilo of apples, please"? Feel free to drop your answers in the comments below. Don't hesitate to watch the video again if you need more practice. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy French stories. Next time, we'll take a trip to Paris and learn useful travel phrases. À bientôt. Bilingual Story, Traveling in France. Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to another episode of Learning French with Stories. Today we're going to explore common phrases for traveling in France. Whether you're asking for directions, checking into a hotel, or ordering at a café, you'll learn useful phrases to make your trip easier. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in English as well. Ready? Let's start. Je suis à Paris pour les vacances. I'm in Paris for vacation. Let's start by saying je suis, that means I am, à Paris means in Paris, and pour les vacances means for vacation. If you're in a different city, just replace Paris with your location. Je veux explorer la ville, alors je demande où est la station de métro? I want to explore the city, so I ask where is the metro station? Je veux means I want, explorer means to explore, and je demande is I ask. To ask for directions, say où est followed by the place you need. In this case, la station de métro is the metro station. Un passant me répond, la station est à 2 rues d'ici. A passerby answers, the station is 2 streets from here. Un passant means a passerby. Me répond means answers me. And à 2 rues d'ici means 2 streets from here. Checking into a hotel. Je vais à l'hôtel pour m'enregistrer. I go to the hotel to check in. Je vais means I go, and à l'hôtel means to the hotel. M'enregistrer is the verb for to check in. You'll hear this a lot when staying at a hotel. Je dis bonjour, j'ai une réservation au nom de Martin. I say hello, I have a reservation under the name of Martin. J'ai une réservation means I have a reservation, and au nom de means under the name of. If your name isn't Martin, just replace it with your own. L'employé me demande avez-vous une pièce d'identité? The staff asks me, do you have an ID? L'employé is the employee or staff. Me demande means asks me, and une pièce d'identité means an ID. This is a common question, so it's useful to remember. Ordering at a café. Après m'être installé, je vais au café pour prendre un café. After settling in, I go to a café to have a coffee. Après m'être installé means after settling in. Je vais au café means I go to the café, and prendre un café means to have a coffee. Easy, right? Je dis au serveur, un café noir s'il vous plaît. I say to the waiter, a black coffee please. Un café noir is a black coffee. You can also say un café au lait for a coffee with milk. Don't forget to add s'il vous plaît for politeness. Le serveur répond, ça fait 2,50 €. The waiter replies, that's 2,50 €. Ça fait means that's or it costs. 2,50 € is 2,50 €. It's an easy way to hear prices while ordering food or drinks. Taking a taxi. Ensuite, je prends un taxi pour aller au musée. Next, I take a taxi to go to the museum. Je prends un taxi means I take a taxi. Aller au musée means to go to the museum. Replace le musée with any destination you need, like l'hôtel, the hotel, or la gare, the train station. Je dis au chauffeur, pouvez-vous m'emmener au musée, s'il vous plaît? I say to the driver, can you take me to the museum, please? Pouvez-vous m'emmener means, can you take me? This phrase is great for asking drivers or guides to take you somewhere. Le chauffeur répond, d'accord, ça fait 15 €. The driver replies, okay, that'll be 15 €. D'accord means okay, and ça fait 15 € means that'll be 15 €. You can replace 15 with any other number to talk about different amounts. Comprehension check. Let's do a quick review. How do you say, where is the metro station? How about, can you take me to the hotel? Leave your answers in the comments below, and don't hesitate to watch again if you need more practice. If you enjoyed learning how to navigate through France today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more bilingual stories. In the next episode, we'll explore how to order at a restaurant in French. À bientôt.